Hey planners, it's Teo Shantae Plans and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be taking a look at the January 2022 mystery kit from Sadie Stickers. So she's created a mystery kit subscription service in which you can pick up the kit itself, or you can purchase a subscription for 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. And the longer amount of time that you purchase, the greater the discount on the individual kits. Currently, the February mystery kit is open and available, so you can sign up for that or purchase that kit. Once we get to the 25th of February, that will no longer be available, and you'll have to wait until March to go ahead and subscribe for the March kits and going forward. So I wanted to go ahead and take a look at the January mystery kit because these are designed to be formatted a little bit different than just her normal kits. And so I thought it would be nice to take a look at it, see what you're getting in the mystery kits, and kind of give you an idea, because I think it might be helpful if you're trying to decide if this is something that might be of interest to you. So let's take a look at the mystery kit. So the artwork is exclusive artwork to Sadie Stickers, so you're not going to find this artwork in other shops, which is fantastic. And what we're also getting is a 6-page deluxe sized kit, which is great because her standard kits are 4 pages. So what we have here, and I'm personally a big fan of the kit format of her normal kits, so I'm excited to see what we're getting with this deluxe kit format. So on this page we have our 9 full boxes, and this is foiled with gold foil, and I hope that's picking up on camera. I love it because it's super neutral of the whole vibe and the mood of this. This is definitely something that you can pull into your planner at any time of the year. It's not season specific, which is nice, especially for a mystery kit. Oh God, look how soothing and beautiful these colors are. This palette is just lovely. And that's the one thing I do like. What she does do is at the beginning of the month, she'll post like a mood board on her Instagram, and then it's also on the website. So you can take a look at kind of what the vibe or the inspiration for the kit itself is going to be for the month. So even though it's a mystery kit, you're not going in completely blind. You get a little bit of an idea of what kind of the color palette is going to be and a little bit of the whole vibe of the kit. Oh, this is lovely. Okay, I got a little ahead of myself. I don't even think I said anything about the boxes page. On her boxes page, we have scallop half boxes, we have half boxes, we have some boxes that have notched corners, we have other boxes that have scallop trim on them. Then we've got third boxes, quarter boxes, midi boxes that don't span the full width of a column. And then we've got her square boxes at the bottom, which are absolutely fabulous. And I love layering those. They're super cute. On this page, we've got 3 sets of headers. I'm absolutely obsessed with these floral headers. Those are so beautiful. We have both a Monday through Sunday full box as well as a checkbox for the sidebar, habit trackers, some long page flags. Then look at these little boxes. These are so cute. And this is something that's been like a recent addition, I believe, to her kit format, where you have these little midi boxes where they're not whited out like the ones over here. And this is totally different design to like a little cute little fancy box that you can just place and layer in your spreads. Super adorable. We've got some layering shapes as well as bow checklists here. Beautiful bottom washi. This was one of her recent kit updates where she's shifted from having her bottom washi be 2 evenly sized strips to where the bottom washi now has the thicker bottom strip with the slimmer top strip. And I love the clean, simple foiled line design on that top strip. And then here we get some scalloped headers as well as these thinner than a typical header little divider strips. And these are gorgeous. Love that so much. We've got our date covers here and then some additional boxes. And I love that she makes use of that space by giving us more boxes. I'm someone who uses a lot of boxes in her spreads. It gives me the option of making sure I'm distributing color throughout each of my columns evenly, because a lot of times I'm going through the boxes and it's like, okay, well, I may need another box, but just in that specific color. And that's one of the things that I really like. I always get plenty of boxes in my Sadie Stickers kits. So that is essentially like her standard kit format, her typical 4 pages that you would get with any kit. And so I'm assuming these 2 pages here that are flipped upside down are my 2 extra pages that I wouldn't normally get. And so, yes, so this is a floral deco page, which would typically be an add-on that you would purchase separate from the standard kit. And it's also a lot bigger than you would normally get from her deco add-on pages. Her deco sheets are, for a size comparison, this is the typical size of one of her floral deco sheets. So as you can see, we're getting quite a bit more. We've got a whole full-size kit page of floral deco, which is absolutely fabulous. And then the floral deco here is just really beautiful. And of course, a perfect match to the kit itself. This is lovely. I love that we've got both individual florals, some bunches of floral. In addition to getting a large floral deco sheet, our second add-on page is this very much looks like one of her journaling kit pages, which is fantastic. Yeah, so these are a lot of the elements that I've had in using journaling paper. I just am constantly throwing stickers. So these are a lot of the elements that I'm used to getting when I'm using a journaling page. This is so cute. Oh, I like this one. It's got the little washi, so it looks like it's like stuck to the page. And then this one's got a little notebook edge. I love both of those boxes. Okay, that's adorable. Love the archways. I feel like archways have become like super like a thing with journaling kits. You get a lot of the torn edge looking paper and you get archways. Those have been like the 2 most common things I keep seeing in journaling kits happening in the planner community right now. And so I like that we got the cute little torn edges. We've got the archways. We've got some cute little boxes. Really like these boxes as well. And it's so funny because I know one of my planner friends who her preference is having whited out boxes in the center. For me, this doesn't bother me because the color of these boxes is so light. I can definitely write on them with no issues. I am a huge fan of these types of little brushstroke shapes. These little suckers, they layer so well and add so much interest to the page. It's like really amazing how something so simple, it's such a fun organic shape. And it's one of the things that like for me, I've been pulling away from traditional page flags. Where is it? Traditional page flags, which used to be something where it was a different shape than just having a half box, quarter box, third box, that type of a thing. And so we used to use page flags like all the time. They used to be like a really big thing in the planner community. And lately I have been gravitating so much more to brush strokes that are like the long brush strokes of that shape. And then these cute little like splotchy brush strokes. I don't know if splotchy is the right word, but it's like, yeah, it's because what you end up getting, this is on premium matte paper, and then a lot of shops do these also on transparent matte paper, and I like both of them. They function in different ways because on premium matte paper, having something like this, I can totally write right on top of it, and it's not a thing, not a problem at all because I don't have to worry about like my pen or anything. With transparent matte, typically you can write on those as well. I tend not to. I tend to either layer on top of them with a script sticker or use them as like a background wash of color because you just get just this amazing wash of color. Let me show you what I'm talking about. It's kind of hard to see, but it's literally like behind this girl here. I have 2 of these little, just sort of like splotchy little journaling brushstroke shapes, and they're so amazing because they just give you a little wash of color on the page, which is wonderful because our planner pages are white. And so being able to add in just a little bit of background color really comes in handy. So I'm a huge fan of these types of shapes, both on premium matte as well as on the transparent matte paper. So I love that that's something we got along with this mystery kit. Okay, so that is our 6-page deluxe mystery kit. What we're getting sort of as an essential add-on to our typical 4-page amazing kit is a deluxe sized deco page, which if you're anything like me, that's actually a pretty decent savings because I tend to order 3 to 4 pages of floral deco add-ons anytime I'm ordering a kit these days because there's no such thing as too many florals in my current planning life. And then I also really like having this add-on. I'm someone who's recently gotten into journaling, And so for me, super handy to have this. It's also something I would use in a weekly kit as well, because a lot of these elements are really functional, whether you're doing a journaling spread or not. It's also something I personally would pull into both my monthly and dashboard pages as well. So this, I really like the concept of what she's come up with here, because to me, this feels very functional and makes a lot of sense in the way that she designed and went about putting together this mystery kit. So really fantastic concept, definitely something that I think was well executed. And I hope that this video was helpful if you are trying to figure out if this mystery kit subscription thing is worth it for you and wanted an idea of what you're going to get and placing orders for her mystery kits each month. You're going to get exclusive artwork, a deluxe size kit where you've got the journaling add-on as well as the large deco add-on to her traditional kit format. And you're going to get a discount in terms of, like, depending on how much of that you buy, whether 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. And then of course, if you're someone who's already a fan of Sadie stickers, you like the way that she designs her kits, the pricing breakdown when you start looking at the floral deco add-on to the kit, if you're someone who typically would buy that, you're going to be saving money there as well, because you're getting the deluxe size floral deco already included with the kit. So I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Let me know if you guys signed up for the mystery kit and if you have had a chance to get started planning with it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you're having an amazing day, and I will see you next video. Bye.